Press the on-off button. The digital display will turn on and the fan will start. Choose suitable vacuum bag, place item in bag. Press start button or press quick start button. You'll see the digital display count down from 9 to 0. After the vacuum, the machine will automatically switch to sealing mode. Once the sealing cycle ends, the machine will beep. Now, open the lid and remove the bag. Check the seal. A good seal will look clear and continuous. To use the pulse vacuum function, press the pulse vac button. Then press the start button or the quick start button on the handle to begin the pulse vacuum. Monitor the vacuum bag to decide the pressure. You can stop and restart the vacuum by pressing the start button again. When the pressure reaches what it needs, press seal button to start sealing. The digital display will show and count down the sealing time to 0. After the sealing cycle has ended, the machine will beep when done.